So guys, today we'll be talking about the anatomy of the carotid canal. I'll also be talking about the structures that pass through the carotid canal, which is actually our most important reason for this lecture. Okay, so the question that we'll be tackling today is, what are the structures that pass through the carotid canal? What are the structures that pass through the carotid canal? All right. So here I would like you guys to notice the internal carotid artery, carotid canal. All right. So if I were you, my memory hack to this would be like carotid canal. So what is passing through it will have the name carotid. Okay. So the structure that passes through the carotid canal is the internal carotid artery. Now, this internal carotid artery has nerves that are wrapped around it. Okay, so that's a sympathetic nerve plexus. You know, when nerve intermingle together, I'll call them a plexus. Okay, so this sympathetic nerve plexus wraps around the internal carotid artery. Okay, so this carotid canal is a passageway in the temporal bone through which the internal carotid artery enters the middle cranial fossa from the neck. Okay, so this artery is actually going up. Now, from the neck, before it can supply structures inside the head, all right, it has to pierce through the head. Okay, so the passageway through which it passes is the what? Carotid canal. So the canal starts on the inferior surface of the temporal bone at the external opening of the carotid. Okay, the canal starts at the inferior surface of the temporal bone at the external opening of the carotid canal. Okay, also referred to as the carotid foramen. That's just like some extra knowledge. Okay, so this is the carotid canal, and I'd like you guys to please note the location. Okay, note where the carotid canal is, because in a viva exam they might just pick the score, give you, and point at any of those foramina. All right, so it's good for you to know the foraminas and know their location. All right, so that you don't mess them up. Okay, so I already have a memory hack on how I remember this. All right, so if you watch this and you don't have a memory hack and you want mine, just comment on this video and I'll drop mine for you. Okay, so guys, that's it about the carotid canal and the structures that pass through the carotid canal. All right, so see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.